Good grief, Charlie Brown. This project is already, I can see it's already going to take me a while, but hey, I'll stick with it. I'll get her done. If anybody else was doing this job, they'd have to do the same thing as what I'm doing to a certain extent. Okay, so I got my nail set and I'm just going to pop these up a little bit. That one was already loose, and I can see that one's slightly loose too. And I'm not going to worry about the top hinge just yet. Yeah, I'm not going to do anything with that. I'm going to just take my screwdriver and tap these pins out of here. Hang on to it with my finger. And I'm going to let the top hinge hold the door. Okay. Is there anything I've showed you yet that you don't think you can do yourself? I didn't think so. Okay, now I'm going to do the same thing with this one. And then I'm going to lift the door down. Okay, I got my knee brace on, my knee pad, my back support on. This door is not really going to give me that much of a headache, but I just tap it a little, you know. And I've got the door propped open just a little bit. If anything, this might go clunk this way, and I'm ready to make sure it doesn't fall on top of me or anything. I see. Now I'm holding on to it. I should really have my gloves on too, but I don't. Okay, now I can lift it up on the left, grab it, lift it, and move it. Okay. All right. So, and then I'm just going to set it. I'm going to set it like that, and get ready for my next step. And what I need to do, like I said, I'm going to tweak the knuckles. I call that the knuckle, the little piece that's sticking out. I'm going to set the door down. I'll get it all ready, find a crescent wrench, and I'll show you my next step in a minute. That's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos, and hopefully you learned something. You spent a little time with VideoJoe. You saw what it takes. Patience and determination to get something done. A never give up attitude. And if that's you, that's what my videos will show you. How an average Joe is going to fix things around the house to save money. And you're learning it from an average Joe. What could be better than that? Because you can see all the trials and tribulations I go through in order to get something fixed. You'll be able to see how I Joe Guyver certain things in the future. If you choose to continue to watch my videos, you'll learn all that stuff. You'll learn how to save money. Keep that money in your pocket. Why pay somebody else when you can do it yourself? Alrighty then.